Welcome viewers to our today's class. Today we are going to be looking at the above question saying that 9 all over x squared equal to the square root of 3 all over x. We are asked to find the value of x. So the question says 9 all over x squared is equal to the square root of 3 all over x, square root of 3 all over x. So this is what we have. So we know from our laws of SWOT that the square root of a all over b is nothing but the square root of a all over the square root of b. It implies that the square root of 3 all over x here will be equal to the square root of 3 all over the square root of x. So this implies that we are going to have 9 all over x equal to the square root of 3 all over the square root of x. So this is what we have. So next, we know that the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x equals to x from our laws of third. It means that x squared can be written as x, the square root of x, multiplied by the square root of x. Because the square root of x is equal to x. It implies that we will have x squared to be equal to x, where the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x is equal to x. So we are going to replace the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x with x. We have multiplied by x. It means that x squared can be written as this. So for x squared, here we are going to replace it with x multiplied by the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x. So it implies that 9 all over x squared now is equal to root of 3 all over the root of x to become 9 all over x multiplied by the root of x multiplied by the root of x. All this will be equal to the square root of x, square root of 3 all over the square root of x. So this is what we have. So we are going to be cross multiplying this equation. To cross multiply this equation, we are going to have 9 multiplied by the root of x. It's going to be 9. So we're going to have 9 multiplied by the square root of x to be equal to, this will be equal to x, that is the square root of 3 multiplied by x, the square root of x, the square root of x. So we are going to have, so this is what we have. So we are going to be dividing through this equation by the square root of x multiplied by the square root of 3. So if we multiply this equation, to divide through this equation by the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of x, square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of x. So if we divide through this equation, the square root of x will go, this square root of x will go with this square root of x, and we also have the square root of 3, it will go with this, and the square root of x will go with the square root of x. It implies that we will have 9 all over the square root of 3. We have 9 all over the square root of 3 to be equal to x, the square root of x. So this is what we have. So now we can rationalize this by saying that 9 all over square root of 3 multiplied by the root of 3 all over the root of 3. Because we know that the root of 3 all over the root of 3 is the same thing as 1. And 1 multiplied by 9 all over the root of 3 is 9 all over the root of 3. So this will be be equal to x the square root of x. So next, this can be written as 9 root of 3 all over the square root of 3 multiplying the square root of 3, which is equal to x root of x. And don't forget, we are asked to find the value of x. Now, from our laws of sort, like I just explained earlier, we said the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of 3 is nothing but 3. So it implies that I'm going to have 9 square root of 3 all over 3 to be equal to x square root of x. So this is what I have. So 3 here is 1, 3 here is 3. It implies that this equation will become 3 the square root of 3, which is equal to x the square root of x. So this is what I have. So next, we are going to be comparing both sides of this equation. So if we compare the left hand side with the right hand side, we will discover that 3x is equal to 3, and with 3 is equal to root x. So if we compare the left hand side of this equation with the right hand side of this equation, this is what we will get. And we know that root 3 can go with, we know that the root of 3 can go with the root of x, which implies that x will be equal to 3. So the value of x in this equation is x, which is equal to 3. So thank you for watching. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button to get more videos on this, and also like our videos for more content. Thank you.